Spider-Man characterized wearable power armor powered biomechatronic pneumatic air engine, conductive photosensitive PVC jelly bean C envelope manned UF transformer suit machine. Having an alternative subsystem structure. The powered transformer suit electromotive modulated ultrasonic transducer. Having a voice core solenoid type reciprocating, rubber PVC jelly action air suction horn cup exterior. The horn cup are alongside the biometric range corresponding alongside the finger of the user. The horn cup may be not limited to handwear electromotive horn suction cup, or as in footwear horn air suction cup, or in toe wear transducer horn suction cup. Having core shaft solenoid and AC, EMRG, lead, electromotive, ob screw as to drill by electron beaming or welding for the screw to mount within the interface of a surface. The wearable biomechatronic electron welding heating claw M, electromagnetic drill employed for gripping or lifting to upper vertical horizontal lift alongside higher surfaces limited to the distance length of the grappling cable spool length. The DECAY cable enable lift for climbing subject to wearable climbing suit. Having foot horn cup alongside toe horn cups subject to the hand wearable gauntlet operates AC brushless motor. The core returner block and tackle pulley wheel system motorized motor power cable. The motor is localized at the base within the shaft center interface of the block and tackle mechanism having indentation circumference. The circular radius alongside wheel pulley or pulley wheel group. The cable may be conductive and operates electromotive spool direct current cable. Having been connections to the grappling screw dart slotted within EMRG chamber of the grappling gauntlet operates EMRG hypervelocity trajectory grappling tungsten armature within stator chamber action rotary dart functional likenesses as in screw dart drill temporarily guide rail shaft chamber whereas one half of the rail is cathode method and the second rail anode conductive DC rail functional likenesses as in EMRG hypervelocity trajectory screw dart thus connections to their cable shaft alongside the block and tackle shaft opposite side center of their core AC brushless motor core localized alongside the pulley wheel interface core ends bearing cable returner connections to commutative dart stator armature rotary screwing ultracapacitor dart ebb flux welding while drilling. The Man of Steel biomechatronic flight suit machine uses micro-miniaturized brushless motor bracket mount. Exhibiting ball joints are arranged alongside circular radius gauge alongside of the base of the motor bracket in a chain. The motor bracket bearing brushless motor exhibiting ball arm joints so that one joint supports another bracket bearing brushless motor ball arm joint further in the chain. The path is controlled by the coordinated motion alongside the biometric shape. Biometric biomechatronic motor power dynamic stabilization chain biaxial ROM bracket bearing 100,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor armature couple weight rotary produces kinetic energy force vertical or horizontal dynamic stabilization. The biomechatronic gape functional likenesses as an ultrasonic piezoelectric fan bearing dual RC miniature ramjet engines shaft on the back side of the upper ends locally alongside the vertebrae. The miniature RC scramjet rotary engine chamber operates by combustion of fuel in a stream of air compressed by the forward speed of the suit craft itself. Compressor throughput a vertical section of the fan blade dispatching air. The vertical mechatronic wearable back cape operates horizontal oscillation intense radiation hypersonic reciprocating pressure forces matter against the weight of from the earth gravity as in hypersonic propeller for levitation as to fly.